Welcome back to the channel. So in this one we're going to be having a look at a fitting guide and a closer look at the 1/10 scale cyclones for the Peugeot 306 to go with Tamiya's new body. Things first, as always, let's take a look at what's in the kit. So you're going to get 4 hubs or hub adapters. These replace the hex, fit straight on, and then the normal M4 nut goes over the centre, holds that in place. The wheel then bolts to that. You get the 4 wheels. These are resin printed, so you may see some layer lines. So a bit of prep and paint, they'll be sorted. And of course, 16 M2 bolts to actually fit them onto the hubs. First things first, we're going to use this one as an example, because there's no point in taking the wheels off the other one to put them back on. Set the body off. Let's remove the old wheels. Remove the hex as well, because as I say, this replaces the hex. There's a cutout for the bar. Line it up, push it on. There you go, push on, make sure it's seated flush. Pins all the way in. Take your oil off. Put it back on. And tighten it off. Once that's nice and tight, now we just need to bolt the wheel to that. We use this one as the example. Line the holes up, put it on. There is recesses on the hub itself and also on the back of the wheel. Help line it up. Once it's in place, take the bolts and do them all up. There we go. Simple as that. That's all fitted. So the more effort you put in with the prep work on it, the better finish you'll get. There we go. I wasn't going to put all 4 on the other card, just take them off, but there's a 4 fitted on that. You may notice there's a caliper as well. My caliper kits that I've got for the TL01 FF02, which is the original, FF02 was the original chassis that the 306 came on. That's the same caliper kit, so it all fits with these hubs. I've also got them for the TT01, TT02, so if you're planning on putting this on a different chassis, caliper kits and wheels will all fit. If you're planning on picking up the 306 on the BT01, I've also got the caliper kit sorted for that as well. As you can see, this is the Supra that was brought out on the BT01. So there we go. That's the 306 Cyclone wheels. There's a couple of things to note. As I say, with how resin printing works, you're going to get layer lines, or you're going to get surface imperfections. Not really much you can do about it. So a bit of sanding should get rid of them. Maybe a bit of filler primer, and then coat of paint. And there we go. Also, the bolts that hold the wheel to the hub, there's no need to over tighten them. All that's going to happen is you potentially crack the wheel or rip the insert out of the hub. There's no real need. You've got 4 points of contact. It shouldn't go anywhere. If you're interested in a set of these wheels, links will be in the description. As always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe and all the rest of it. I'll see you in the next one.